So I'm going to be talking about chapter 30, which is graphic organizers. Myself, I love graphic organizers. I think they're amazing for anybody at any age range or any grade level. I use them in college. I think they're fantastic. They're a great way to organize your thoughts because I know a lot of kids sometimes have problems writing their thoughts down on paper in an organized way. It can be a little bit discombobulated at times. So giving them a vehicle to better organize their thoughts and what they're thinking and their ideas, this is a great way to do that. I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration of how I would teach us in the class using cause and effect graphic organizers. A lot of kids have trouble getting cause and effect. They get them mixed up. They don't know the difference between the two. So something like this can show the difference and how they're related. So let's get started. Hello class, we've been talking about cause and effect lately. Does anybody want to tell me what the cause is, the definition of cause? Exactly, it's the event that's happening. It's your why. And effect? Yes, it's the result of your cause. It's what happens because of your cause. So I have a little graphic organizer here that we're going to do to better explain cause and effect. We have these boxes, and your first box here is your cause, and then you have your event or your effect of that cause underneath. But remember that effect can also be a cause of something else. So that's why we have cause/effect here. And underneath, we're going to have the effect of that now cause. And we're going to write down the effect here, which is going to cause something else, which is going to cause something else, and so on and so on. And your final box here is your final effect of this whole ordeal, this whole situation. And the example that I'm using is my house is hot. So I came home one day, my house is burning up, I have no idea what happened, but I find out the cause of my house being hot is that my AC is broken. Oh my gosh. But the effect of my AC being broken is that my house is hot. So the effect is the situation, my house is hot. And because of my house being hot, the effect of that is that I went to open a window because it's nice and cool outside now. I went to go open a window because my house is hot on the inside. Hopefully it would cool it down. But because I opened the window, the effect of that would be that a bird flew in my window, which is crazy, but that's the effect of me opening my window. And because the bird flew in, the effect of that would be that my cat went crazy because cats love chasing birds. And it saw this bird flew inside, it went nuts. And because my cat went crazy, the effect of that is that it broke my favorite vase. And you know, a vase is a thing to keep your flowers in, and I had this beautiful one. But because my cat went crazy, it was jumping all over the place, it broke my vase. And because it broke my vase, the effect of that was that I was sad. So the ultimate result of all of this is that I ended up sad because of the broken vase. And all of that happened because my AC was broken. A lot of things can happen because of one event. So that is how I would teach the cause and effect graphic organizer. I would give the kids a blank one of those, and I would have them either come up with their own scenario to do a cause and effect chain for, or I would give them one, or we would use something that we're working on in class, like a story or something like that. Another example of one that I found that is actually kind of cool is this little topsy-turvy one here, and it has the arrows to show that they each kind of connect, and each event can be another cause. And this has little like guidelines. It's your starting events, so what initially started everything, which would be your AC was broken, and then which caused blank, and then which caused blank, and so on, until you get to your ending events would be I was sad. So this one is definitely something you'd probably want to print out. You wouldn't have them draw this because that could go a little crazy. But I love different examples of graphic organizers. There's so many different ones you could do. You could use it for absolutely anything. Definitely not just cause and effect, but you have your Venn diagrams and your T-charts and all these cool ones out there. I've never seen that topsy-turvy one before, but I thought that was really awesome. And when kids see stuff like that, they find it really fun and interesting to fill out something rather than just taking bullet point notes or trying to remember something on their own. So as you can tell, I'm very passionate about graphic organizers. I think they're great. So I would definitely recommend using those if you have a chance to in your classroom. And read this chapter because it's very informative. But that's graphic organizers. Thank you.